Hello everyone, my name is Manny and this is my simple and quick photo editing tutorial on how to remove pimples and acne in Adobe Photoshop. I will give you tips on how to use the most common tools available in most Photoshop versions from CS1 to CS6 so you can use anything or any of those versions. Okay, first things first, let's examine the photo to be cleaned. This was taken from my most recent agency photo shoot with my model, Aliyah. I hope I pronounced it right, Aliyah. Thanks for allowing me to use your photo for my demonstration. As you can see, there's a little bit of cleanup to be done here. In this exercise, we will use the easiest cleanup tool in Photoshop, the Clone Stamp tool. Select the Clone Stamp from the toolbox, click on the Brush pull-down tab and set the brush size approximately to the area to be cloned. While pressing Alt key, point and click the mouse pointer to a skin texture and clone that clean texture to the pimple to be removed. That's simple. Take time to check all areas as you clean those pimple, acne, and scars. If you have overdone a cloned area, you can click undo or erase with History Brush tool and start all over. This sectional cleanup technique requires patience. But this is the best natural pimple removal workflow that I know of, better than most mobile phone filter apps. Now, in this step, we will reduce the dark areas beneath the eyes. We will remove eye bags using the Polygonal Lasso tool to select and whiten that portion only. With the Polygonal Lasso tool selected, use your mouse to mark and select the area to be processed. Right-click and use Feather for gradual smooth corners. Then in the image menu, click on Selective Color. From there, pull down the Colors tab and select Neutral. Then slide down the black color adjustment to the left until the dark eye bag matches the midtone to the nearby part of the skin. Do the same thing with the opposite eye section. We can also use Dodge tool to lighten the dark circles. Select Dodge tool from the toolbar. Adjust the brush size and the exposure to minimal below 30. Then wipe out the dark areas until you are satisfied with the result. The picture was a bit warm, so we will try to correct and reduce the yellowish tones. We will use the blue photo filter in this step. From the image menu, click Adjustment, then Photo Filter. From there, select Color, click on the Color tab and hover the mouse and click towards the blue section on the palette. Then, apply the filter. Use Fade Adjustment in the Edit menu if you want to fine-tune the color filter you applied. Next, we will adjust brightness and contrast. From the Image menu, click Adjustment, then select Brightness, Contrast. Adjust the sliders for the best result on your monitor. Remember, color and brightness varies depending on your LCD monitor's calibration accuracy. Now that we have done some major adjustment to the photo, it's time to review our work. Save us your edited work to a new file name so you don't overwrite the original file name. It is always the best practice to have the original file untouched so you can go back and start over in case you realized that you don't like your finished product. So here's our edited work with pimples removed, tone color, and exposure corrected. And here's our original file. So there you have it guys, a quick tutorial for beginners on how to remove pimples and acne with Adobe Photoshop. I'm your tutor, Manny Guzman Jr. Stay tuned for our next lesson and don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel.